Welcome to Kids Cuisine. Today we are making healthier chocolate chip cookies. I know, who wants to eat a healthy cookie, right? But trust me, these are delicious. First, add all the dry ingredients together. Then, in another bowl, combine vanilla extract, coconut oil, add the egg, and honey. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together until it is mixed well. Lastly, fold in the dark chocolate chips. Let the batter sit for at least 10 minutes so the flour can fully absorb the wet ingredients. After the 10 minutes are up, scoop the dough and place it on the parchment paper on the baking sheet. Slightly grease your fingertips to press and flatten the dough. Set the pan in the oven set at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. And voila, you have yourself healthy chocolate chip cookies.